Gordon. I want to get a budget gaming laptop.
Ah, well, this is something you may want to look at, Adam. This is Dell's upgraded G3. Very similar to last year's G3. The whole idea is you get a very subdued gaming laptop. I like this one in lunar white, I think they call it. This one is really pretty. You get the blue rubber things. It's a 15.6 inch IPS panel. Key differences are mostly inside. You now get a 9th gen H-class Intel CPU instead of an 8th gen H-class CPU. That's i5 or i7. Difference is fairly small, mostly just clock bumps. There's no additional cores or threads that you're going to get going from 8th gen to 9th gen. But the other thing you're going to get in these new models is GeForce GTX 1650 at the low end, up to a 1660 Ti. Really good card, that 1660 Ti. And looking at some benchmark numbers on the 1650 Ti, it gives a GTX 1060 laptop pretty much a good run for its money. So you could sort of say for $799, you can get what you once had to pay probably $1,200 for a 1060 laptop when they first came out. Let's look at some other things. They've added a button if you want to go max fan. Push that button, you go, all the fans crank up maximum.
The G key.
The G key, not the F key. It does not use an inverted design. It's very important for people who later on, they cheap out and they want to later on add a bigger SSD or something. So the two SODIMMs and the M.2 slot and hard drive slot are open to. Yes, I did say hard drive slot. It has two SODIMMs, it has M.2, and it has a hard drive bay, 2.5 inch bay. And that's because at this price, Dell says a lot of people still want hard drives. It is a good way to get a lot of storage. The compromise, of course, with that is slightly smaller battery, about 56 watt hours, pretty much the same as last year. So for $799, you're going to get FHD, IPS, GeForce 1650, Core i5 9300H, which is a slight bump over the 8th gen part, and a 1 terabyte hard drive. Yes, I got excited. I thought he said SSD is first, but come on, folks. It's $800. So available starting on May 28th, I guess today.
Nice. And we're hoping to get one in to
we'll get one in and look at it because I know everybody loves the Alienware, the Area 51M. They like the $3,000 laptops. Not everybody can afford those. So we're going to take a look at this, see how well it does. Fairly small update from previous model, but still GPUs, nice little bump up on that GPU. So we'll see.
Nice. Thanks, Gordon.